making chimichurri.
Which is basically an Argentinian salsa. So Quinn is going to take her little butter knife and cut the parsley, or you could use cilantro. Some people hate parsley, some people hate cilantro. Get going, sister. Okay, so while she does that, I'm getting probably about 3 cloves of garlic. We're dumping all of this into a food processor. Now you can either use lime, fresh lime juice, red wine vinegar, or lemon,
I don't want to do
or white wine vinegar too.
This is too hard.
It's too hard.
Mama,
Well, why don't here?
so
Why don't
much.
so much? Okay, here I'm gonna help get this off. Watch. I got this part off. Now you could just get the stems off.
Oh, okay.
Just like that. Okay, so we got to blending on our chimichurri. We also added olive oil to it.
Oh, this smells good.
Mmm.
It smells good. Very good.
The second part.
Very good.
The second part to
Smells
this.
good.
Hey, focus. We're gonna season our flank steak.
Smells good.
You want to do it or should I?
I want to.
Okay, so flank steak is the perfect meat for our chimichurri. It's cheap, it's delicious, you can grill it.
Pepper.
We're doing salt, cinnamon, cumin, and turmeric. These are the spices I love. I got to know them all very well.
I want to do these first.
Okay. When we went to Morocco, they're
I got
super
it.
warm spices, delicious. You could also do chili powder and cumin and salt. Have some fun with spices. Okay, I'm gonna get back to this.